everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making gluten-free vegan brownies. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You'll find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared.
To start, I'm going to sift my garbanzo and fava bean flour, potato starch, arrowroot, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, and xanthan gum. This is to make sure there are no clumps. If you don't have a sifter, you can use a wire whisk or a fork. When you're sifting, you can push the ingredients through using a rubber spatula or a spoon, or you can tap the sides of it with your hands. If your sifter has a stand, you should tap the sides of your sifter after it looks like all the ingredients have fallen through to make sure no ingredients are stuck. Today I'm not using a sifter with a stand, so I don't have to do this step. Now I'm going to add in my sugar. I'm going to whisk this with a fork to combine it with my other ingredients. Next, I'm going to add my oil, vanilla extract, and applesauce. I'm going to whisk these into my dry ingredients. Now that my ingredients are mixed well, I'm going to add in my coffee. I'm going to mix this until the coffee is fully mixed in. The batter will get looser throughout the process. Try to make it so that the whole mixture is the same consistency. Next, I'm going to add in my chocolate chunks. I'm going to mix this until the chocolate is evenly mixed in. My batter looks great, so let's move on to the next step. Now, I'm going to fill my cupcake tins. To do this, I'm using a 1 tablespoon ice cream scoop. You can use a measuring spoon if you'd prefer. Make sure the scoop or spoon is completely full so all your brownies are the same size. Next, I'm going to put my brownies into the oven. My oven's preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Set a timer for 12 minutes to start. My brownies took 18 minutes to bake. When they're done, if you lightly press your finger into one, it'll rise back up. Put them onto a cooling rack to cool. And my gluten-free vegan brownies are done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!